Hey everyone, it's Marcus here. Today we're diving into the top AI tools every developer should know in 2025. From machine learning frameworks to AI-powered cloud platforms, we're going to explore the tools that are shaping the future of development. We'll break down each tool, its strengths, and why it deserves a spot in your developer toolkit. Let's get right into it. First up, we have TensorFlow, the undisputed heavyweight champ of deep learning. Developed by Google, TensorFlow's been around for a while now, and for good reason. It's incredibly powerful, flexible, and has a massive community behind it. Think of TensorFlow as the Android of deep learning frameworks. Open source, highly customizable, and with a huge ecosystem of tools and libraries built around it. You can run it on your own machine, a cluster of servers, or even on Google's cloud platform for some serious processing power. And with TensorFlow Lite, you can even deploy your models on mobile and embedded devices. TensorFlow also has a ton of resources for beginners. From online tutorials to detailed documentation, you'll find plenty of help to get you started on your deep learning journey. So if you're serious about AI development, TensorFlow is a must-have in your toolkit. Next up, we have PyTorch, another giant in the world of machine learning. Developed by Facebook, PyTorch has quickly become a favorite among researchers and developers for its flexibility and ease of use. PyTorch is all about dynamic computation graphs, which basically means you can modify your neural networks on the fly as your code runs. This makes PyTorch super intuitive and easy to debug, which is a godsend when you're dealing with complex models. Plus, PyTorch integrates seamlessly with Python, which is the go-to language for data science and machine learning. You'll find pre-trained models, tutorials, and a supportive community ready to help you out. So, if you're looking for a flexible, easy-to-use framework that's perfect for research and rapid prototyping, PyTorch is definitely worth checking out. Now let's talk about something truly game-changing. OpenAI Codex. This AI tool is like having a super-powered coding buddy that can understand and generate human-quality code. Imagine describing what you want your code to do in plain English, and Codex just writes it for you. It's built on top of GPT-3, OpenAI's massive language model, and it's been trained on a massive dataset of code and natural language. Codex can generate code in multiple programming languages, complete your code snippets, and even translate code from one language to another. This tool has the potential to revolutionize the way we code, making development faster, more efficient, and more accessible to everyone. If you want to get a glimpse of the future of coding, you need to check out OpenAI Codex. It's a mind-blowing tool that will change the way you think about software development. Chapter 4. Hugging Face Transformers, NLP Just Got Easier. Next, we're diving into the world of natural language processing with Hugging Face Transformers. This library has become synonymous with NLP, offering a vast collection of pre-trained models for tasks like text classification, language translation, and question answering. Think of Hugging Face Transformers as the ultimate NLP toolkit. It provides easy-to-use implementations of state-of-the-art transformer models like BERT, GPT-2, and Roberta. These models have already been trained on massive datasets, so you can leverage their power without having to train them from scratch. Whether you're building a chatbot, analyzing customer reviews, or generating creative text formats, Hugging Face Transformers has got you covered. If you're working with text data in any capacity, Hugging Face Transformers is an essential tool. Chapter 5. Google Cloud AI, your AI platform in the cloud. Now let's talk about cloud platforms, and who better to start with than Google Cloud AI. This is Google's suite of AI and machine learning services designed to help you build, deploy, and scale your AI solutions. It offers a wide range of services, from pre-trained models for vision, language, and more to custom model training and deployment tools. One of the coolest things about Google Cloud AI is its integration with other Google Cloud services. Google Cloud AI is constantly evolving, with new services and features being added all the time. It's a powerful platform that can help you take your AI projects to the next level. Chapter 6. IBM Watson, the Enterprise AI Powerhouse. Moving on to another enterprise-grade solution, we have IBM Watson. This AI platform has been making waves in the industry for years, powering everything from customer service chatbots to advanced data analytics. IBM Watson is all about bringing AI to the enterprise. It offers a suite of tools and services designed to help businesses make smarter decisions, automate complex processes, and enhance customer experiences. With its robust security features, enterprise-grade support, and proven track record, IBM Watson is a solid choice for businesses looking to leverage the power of AI. Chapter 7. Microsoft Azure AI, your AI toolkit in the cloud. Next up, we have Microsoft Azure AI, Microsoft's answer to the growing demand for cloud-based AI solutions. Azure AI offers a comprehensive suite of tools and services for developers and data scientists looking to build, deploy, and manage AI applications. One of Azure AI's key strengths is its flexibility. You can choose from a wide range of pre-trained models, build your own custom models using popular frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, or even leverage Azure's automated machine learning capabilities. Azure AI also integrates seamlessly with other Azure services, making it easy to build end-to-end AI solutions. With its comprehensive offerings, flexible deployment options, and strong integration with the Azure ecosystem, Microsoft Azure AI is a compelling choice for developers looking to harness the power of AI in the cloud. Chapter 8. Amazon SageMaker, your machine learning playground. Now, let's talk about Amazon SageMaker, Amazon's cloud-based machine learning platform. SageMaker is designed to make it easier for developers and data scientists to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. It provides all the tools you need to go from raw data to a fully deployed machine learning model, without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. One of SageMaker's standout features is its support for a wide range of machine learning frameworks and libraries, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, MXNet, and Scikit-learn. This gives you the flexibility to use the tools you're most comfortable with. SageMaker also offers a variety of pre-built algorithms and models for common machine learning tasks, such as image classification, natural language processing, and fraud detection. With its comprehensive set of tools, flexible options, and seamless integration with other AWS services, Amazon SageMaker is a powerful platform for anyone looking to build, train, and deploy machine learning models in the cloud. Chapter 9. Data Robot, automating your machine learning workflow. Building and deploying machine learning models can be complex and time-consuming. Data Robot automates this process, allowing you to focus on strategic aspects. It handles data preparation, feature engineering, model selection, and hyperparameter tuning. Data Robot supports various data types and integrates with multiple data sources. Accelerate your machine learning efforts with Data Robot. Chapter 10. H2O.ai - Open Source AI for Everyone. Last but not least, let's talk about H2O.ai, a company that's all about democratizing AI and making it accessible to everyone. H2O.ai offers an open-source platform that provides a suite of tools for building and deploying machine learning models. One of H2O.ai's core offerings is H2O3, an open-source distributed in-memory machine learning platform. H2O3 is designed for speed and scalability, and it can handle large datasets with ease. It also supports a variety of algorithms, including deep learning algorithms, and it integrates with popular programming languages like Python, and H2O.ai also offers driverless AI, an automated machine learning platform that's built on top of H2O3. With its focus on open-source automation and ease of use, H2O.ai is a company that's helping to make AI more accessible and powerful for everyone. The future of development is AI-powered. That's it for today's video. If you found this list helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited about. We've covered a lot of ground here, from deep learning frameworks to cloud-based AI platforms. But one thing's for sure, AI is going to play an increasingly important role in software development in the years to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.